What we're going to do is going to have a look at this wool blanket that we sell. Part of our range. It comes as standard in the premium kits, and you can buy it separately or as an add-on to all the kits. So they're really good for lots of different scenarios in emergency situations. So we've got some of our other safety gear here, which we're going to pop on before we do this experiment. We're going to put on our goggles, which are the safety goggles type 1. And we've got our leather gloves. Hello! And April wants to play again. And leather gloves are great. They're in every kit. They come as standard and you can buy them separately. Now the fire's been going for about 20 minutes or so it's got some embers going. It's not really hot, but we're not designing these blankets for you to go and jump into a bushfire or into a fire. We just want to show you what they're capable of. So I'm going to stretch it out. And we're just going to pop it on the fire. Let's pop it off. Okay, so we've got some scald marks on it, so it's not impenetrable. Definitely going to give you some added protection when you and your family come face to face with a bushfire. Okay, you guys stay safe this summer and make sure your property, your house and your family vehicle are all prepared. We want to help you help yourself.